Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Hostinger's email marketing tools. So go ahead to the official website and make sure that you start your journey by selecting a plan that suits your budget. And if you want to buy a plan that suits your budget, make sure to visit the link in the description box. Now, what you're gonna do if you want to create an email newsletter, right, or email marketing tool in 4 steps. First, choose an email newsletter service, right? Various emails newsletter service like Omni, Send, MailChimp, and Shripo email offers automation features and pre-made email templates that make mass mailing easier. If you're using WordPress, consider checking out some of the platform's best newsletter plugins, right? You have the next method, which is design subscription form. Email marketing opt-in regulations state that businesses must receive users' permissions before sending subscription newsletter. So make sure to give them a way to easily opt in and out of your email marketing campaigns. The easiest way to collect email addresses is to embed a subscription form form on your website and invite visitors to sign up. All right, here's an example, right, of subscription form for Hostinger's newsletter, right? And you have the third method, which is creating an email list. An email list is a collection of email addresses of people who want to receive updates from you. Avoid sending newsletter to customers who do not consent to receiving them, as this can hurt your brand reputation, right? Next, start your first newsletter campaign. When drafting your newsletter content, make it simple yet engaging. Okay, so if you want successful newsletter campaign, so I think the first step is to personalize your email content. Research shows that 4 out of 5 people want businesses to send more personalized content. You write a catchy subject lines. 47% of recipients open emails based on the subject line, and include interactive content and offer tangible value. As mentioned before, users might unsubscribe if they no longer find value in your newsletter. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.